Hi, Trudy from Talent Code HR. Employee engagement is absolutely critical if we want to build a high performance organisation. And as many of us would know, if we do have an engaged workforce, we get two things in return. We get discretionary effort, which is people going above and beyond and doing whatever it takes to do a great job. And we get retention. However, many leaders are struggling to lift employee engagement at the moment for a few reasons. The first is many of us continue to be under-resourced, which means that people are doing more. This is leading to burnout in many cases, which is making it difficult for people to separate work from personal issues, and bringing those issues to work is making it even more challenging for many, many leaders. So what can we do practically to optimize engagement within our teams? One of the key things that has an impact is giving people meaningful, purposeful work. Here's a few really simple things that you can think about that will help you introduce this thinking into your organization. The first is this concept of purposeful, meaningful work. For many people within your organization, they may not see the connection between the work they're doing and where your organization is going, or the impact that it ultimately has on the end user or the end customer or the people that you're serving. So being very explicit around that connection and sharing success stories around that is really powerful. The second thing to think about is asking yourself how you can take some of your key strategic projects, and these may be projects that go across the whole organization, and invite others across the organization and cross-functionally to get involved even in some small way with those projects. What it will do is it will take them away from the day-to-day work that they're doing that they may have deep expertise in, and give them the opportunity to be involved in something different where they can collaborate with others, engage with others, and feel as though they're really contributing to something that's going to make a difference. Very powerful for a number of reasons. The last thing to think about is how can you identify growth and development opportunities for your team members through creating meaningful, purposeful work. When we look at developing others, the most effective way to do that is through increasing their level of autonomy and responsibility in the role. So a few practical examples. One may be bringing a cross-functional, cross-generational group of people together and allowing them to play within the sandpit. And what I mean by that is give them an organizational issue to resolve, create the boundaries around the sandpit, and give them freedom to come back with some ideas and see what they can implement to really drive the change that you're looking for. These are the kinds of opportunities that create purpose for people, but also give them a real sense of development and growth, which ultimately will have a huge impact on engagement. If you're looking at having a more sophisticated conversation around how to lift engagement within your organization, please reach out. We would be very happy to share some ideas with you.